In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a game from GOG step by step so you can get your game downloaded and ready to play in just a few minutes. This is a super simple process, but if you've never used GOG before, I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open GOG on your computer and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside, look at the left side menu. You'll see an option called Owned Games. Click on Owned Games to bring up the full list of titles connected to your account. This is where all of the games you've purchased or claimed will appear, so it's the first place you want to go when you're ready to install something. Now go through the list and select the game you want to install. If you have a large library, you can scroll until you find it, or use any search option available to help you locate it faster. After selecting the game, look at the top menu and find the Install button. Click Install to begin the setup process. At this point, GOG will ask you to choose a download location. This is the folder on your computer where the game files will be saved, so pick a location that has enough free space and is easy for you to remember later. If you want to keep your games organized, you can create a dedicated folder for GOG installations. Next, choose your game language. This is important because it sets the language for the installer and, in many cases, the game itself. Pick the language you're most comfortable with, then double-check your download location one more time before continuing. Once everything looks correct, click Install. GOG will start downloading the game and preparing the files automatically. Depending on the size of the game and your internet speed, this may take a few minutes or longer, so just let it run until it finishes. After the installation is complete, the game will be ready to launch from GOG or from the shortcut on your desktop, depending on your settings. And that's it. You now know how to install a game from GOG using the Owned Games section, the Install button, and the correct download settings. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.